Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management here in San Francisco. Today, I'm excited to be sharing with you unit number 11 at 1420 Jones Street. This is in Nob Hill. We walk into this property and let's go right into, you see the kitchen right here. And this is the bedroom, living room area. So this is a fantastic building. We've rented a few units in this building most recently, and everyone has loved it. They love the landlord, they love the environment, and they just love how sizable this property is. So hardwood floors, really tall ceilings, picture railings, lots of sun. This is a garden-facing unit on the top floor. So now this would classically be the bedroom. So here's a custom closet for this. This is nice glass French doors. Now you could use this as the bedroom, you could use this as the dining room, or you could use this as a living room. Again, this is a really flexible space. And again, we walk seamlessly into the next room. There is an alcove right here that could either be for a desk, the TV screen, or maybe a bookshelf. Again, looking back, you can see how these rooms really flow into another one. Now the garden is right below, but let's focus on the really super stuff. I'm looking at Salesforce Tower. I'm looking at Trans-American Building. I'm looking at the Bay Bridge. So you're in the evening time here, and all the way to Oakland, you're gonna be enjoying all the lights on the Bay Bridge. Not sure if you know this, if you're coming from out of town, you might not, but they choreograph the lights and they change the lights on the Bay Bridge on some regular schedule. So that's pretty cool. So you get to enjoy that. Another closet, lots of closet space in here. You see blue tape, the owner's painting. Again, the tenant just moved out, so she's doing work here. Let's go into the bathroom. Tub, shower combination. Whoa, hey, there I am. All right, tub shower combination. Nice stonework in the back, and you got a nice big double pane window in the back sink. Now this is really nice. This is a opportunity. You can have a little chair here. You can get dressed. You can check yourself out in the mirror, put on makeup, comb your hair, etc., etc. So, which is nice. And then here you have lots of room for linens and sheets and so forth. All right, keep going back. Okay, so we covered the bathroom. We covered the living room. Let's go down the hall. So that's the front door. This is the old telephone booth. This is where the intercom is now. But there's little storage areas here, and which makes it really fun. You can store little notes or whatever have you. And again, this could be the dining room, bedroom, or living room, depending on how you slice it, if you will. Here we enter the kitchen. So some hanging racks, nice stone countertops, lots of cabinet space here, gas range. And again, I don't want to understate the amount of light coming on this top floor unit. It's just really nice. If you like putting bottles there, you can, of course, and then the wine glass holder right here. And then you have your refrigerator in this room right here and microwave. Now, this is not included, but we might have this advertised. There is a dishwasher option. If you really feel strongly about a dishwasher, let the agent know. There's some negotiating that would have to happen, but the owner may be willing to install one for the right term. So if you are in need of a dishwasher, just let us know. All right, I'm gonna switch the camera here so you're looking at me. Hey! All right, so beautiful, beautiful apartment. Nob Hill, again, you're very, very close to not only parking, there's parking right around the corner, monthly parking, but there's also 2 other parking garages as well close by if you're in need of parking. And then of course you have all the shops, restaurants. You're so close to downtown, walking distance to most everything. So anyway, if you're interested in this property, give us a call. Or actually, don't call us. Look at the links below. There's links to the website, in which there's showing schedules, there's video, this video probably will be housed there, and then also more information, so key terms, etc. So you want the deets, first check out the website, and then give us a call. We've got lots of listings, always making deals. So, check out the information first, and then we're happy to talk to you. All right. Thanks again. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. All right. Thanks a lot. Bye.